guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Cinquanta Cox-Smith of www.cinquantacoxsmith.com. Smile for me. Guys, so I was trying to find a way how to bring new content to you guys. So I decided that I would take a question from my comments and I would answer them in these short form videos just to make sure I am still uploading and still bringing you guys relevant content. So our first question comes from the video that I did on the Vervante review and unboxing. So this question comes from Mila. She said, I'm thinking of launching my planner with Vervante. Will my planner have their watermark on the back cover? So in that video, what I was showing you guys were samples from Vervante. The actual journals that I created with Vervante are fully customizable from front cover, inside front cover, back cover, and the inside of the back cover, along with everything in between is fully customizable to you and your brand. So that means whatever you upload to their system, it will be printed, and that is without their watermark on any of your projects. So Mila, I hope that helps answer your question. And if you decide to use Vervante, I want you to circle back and let me know how your experience was. I hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Until next time, I love you more than I love this video. Peace.